Hey, the concept of trust envisages that one person, the settlor, while relying upon another person, the trustee, and reposing special confidence in him, commits property to him. There is a fiduciary relationship between the two in law. Section 405 ppc defines criminal breach of trust. The essential ingredients of criminal breach of trust, under Section 405 ppc, are: I. The accused must be entrusted with property or dominion over it, and E.I. he must have dishonestly misappropriated the property or converted it to his own use or disposes it of in violation of any trust, or willfully suffers any other person to do so. The offense of criminal breach of trust resembles the offense of embezzlement under the English law. The punishment for ordinary cases is provided in Section 406 ppc. But there are aggravated forms of the offense also which are dealt with under Section 407 to 409 ppc. Click the link in description to case law.
The first condition mentions three important terms: entrustment, dominion, and property. Entrustment means handing over possession of something for some purpose without conferring the right of ownership, while dominion refers to the right of control or possession over something, such as dominion over the truck. 3. The term property has been used without any qualification, so it must be understood in the wider sense. There is no reason to restrict its meaning to movable property. Further, the word property must be read in conjunction with entrustment and dominion. A trust contemplated by Section 405 ppc would arise only when the property belongs to someone other than the accused. To see case law, link in description. Good to see you.